Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are exploring a crucial aspect of IT governance, data governance as defined in the ISO 38500 standard. Join us as we delve into how this framework ensures effective data management and utilization within organizations. ISO 38500 places significant emphasis on the importance of data governance in maximizing the value of information assets while mitigating associated risks. Let's dissect the key principles that form the foundation of data governance. Accountability. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities for managing data assets ensures accountability throughout the organization. Transparency. Making data policies, procedures, and practices easily accessible to stakeholders fosters transparency in data management processes. Integrity. Maintaining the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of data throughout its life cycle is essential for preserving data integrity. Confidentiality. Protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, disclosure, or modification ensures compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Availability. Timely and reliable access to data for authorized users support business operations and decision-making processes. Implementing data governance practices. Let's now explore how organizations can practically implement data governance principles in their operations. Establishing a data governance framework. Defining clear objectives, scope, and governance structures sets the foundation for effective data governance. Developing data policies and standards. Creating policies and standards for data classification, storage, retention, and disposal helps govern data effectively. Implementing data quality management processes. Identifying, assessing, and remediating data quality issues ensures that data remains accurate and reliable. Conducting data risk assessments. Regular assessments help identify and mitigate risks associated with data management, safeguarding against potential threats. Providing ongoing training and awareness programs. Educating employees about their roles and responsibilities in data governance ensures widespread understanding and compliance. In conclusion, data governance is instrumental in ensuring the effective management and utilization of data assets within organizations. By adhering to the principles outlined in ISO 38500 and implementing robust data governance practices, organizations can enhance data quality, mitigate risks, and unlock the full value of their data assets. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for further insights on IT governance and best practices. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.